So just go ahead and switch on your computer. My certified engineer will speak to you, and he will show you the problem, okay?
Okay.
Yep, take your time. I'm holding the line. When your computer is totally on, please let me know, okay?
Okay.
Take your time.
And it's on.
It's on.
Yep.
It's off. Now it's off. Try to on again.
It's still on though.
No. Try to on again, sir. It's not on.
Alright, I'll try
Like
again.
this. This is off already. Oh, this is off. Try to on the switch.
Okay, it's
Oh
on
my
now.
God. It's on?
Yeah.
I'll off. Okay.
Oh.
It is off. Bastard. Get lost, bastard.
Bastard?
Why are you laughing?
What?
Hmm?
I want to get rid of
Why are you
virus
laughing?
and make data safe again.
Bastard.
Bastard.
Dumb. Stupid.
You called me
Oh.
bastard.
Yes. Donkey.
Donkey.
You're donkey. Yes, you're donkey.
You are house cat.
Right?
House cat.
I'm not a house. I'm house cat.
You are house cat. I am donkey.
You are rat.
I am house rat, the friendly house rat. You are giraffe.
You are a. You are rat. You are cockroach.
Cockroach. Friendly American cockroach? Or mean cockroach?
No. You are a villager cockroach. Villager.
Religious cockroach.
Okay. And what you are?
What are I?
And what you are? You are cockroach. You are. And you are. Rat.
Yes. Yes. You
And
are bushes. You are bushes outside.
No, you are a bug.
Bug what?
Bug. You are a bed bug.
Are we going to fix my computer or not? This sucks.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh.